Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the Python tutorial series, and in this video we are going to learn what are identity operators in Python. So without any delay, let's get started. There are two identity operators in Python. They are is and is not. The is operator checks if both the operands refer to the same object or not. So if you are aware about Python lists, tuples and dictionaries, you know they are complex data structures. Basically, when you say L1 equal to and you refer a list, basically the reference of the list in memory space is stored in that variable. Now, if you have multiple lists or multiple tuples in Python, but they have identical values in them, but it may not be the case that they point to the same memory space. And we will learn about this very soon by an example. So this is all the theory which I believe you should know about identity operators in Python. So let's go to VS Code and understand by an example. Welcome to VS Code. Here we are going to learn what are identity operators in Python using a simple example. So here I have taken an example of list. So if you are not sure what are list in Python, there is a short video where we have discussed all the data structures available in Python in brief. But don't worry, we will soon have a separate list video where we will discuss what is list, what are its methods and how we can implement the same. But as of now, here I have declared two variables L1 and L2, and we have assigned a list to both of these variables. Now one thing is that both these lists contain identical members, that is John Doe, B+, 46 and true. But these lists are basically not the same, though they contain the same data within them, but they are assigned in different variables. That means L1 point to separate memory space and L2 point to separate memory space. But in those two memory space, the same data is stored. Okay. Finally, we are saying L3 equal to L1. When we say this, that means L3 is a variable that points to the same memory space as that of L1. Now we are saying L1 is L2 and we write L1 is L2. Thereafter we are writing L1 is L3. So what do you think? What should be the output? What should happen is, basically as I have already told, N1 and N2 are separate variables which contain separate lists. Though both of these lists contain identical values, but they are stored in separate memory space. So when I say L1 is L2, this should evaluate to false because L1 and L2 doesn't point to the same memory space, okay? But here when I say L3 equal to L1, that is we assign the reference of L1 in L3. So basically when I say L1 is L3, so L1 and L3 refers to same object in memory, okay? That's why it should evaluate to true. So let's open our terminal and run the code. So I will write python 11.py, and when I run the code, you see L1 is L2. This evaluates to false as they are separate variables and points to separate memory space. But when I say L1 is L3, this evaluates to true. Okay. So you can use this is operator or maybe is not operator depending upon your scenarios to evaluate whether the variables point to the same memory space. Okay. I hope this is clear with you. In case you are not sure, I will post a link of the document in the description section below. You can go and check it out. So let's go back to our presentation. I hope you found this video informative. In case you like the video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We are going to bring more videos in future. For any queries, doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, feel free to post them in the comment section. We are going to reply. So thank you for now. See you in the next video. Bye.